Telephoto lenses are usually used for things like wildlife and birds in flight because they've got the longer focal length, but you can use them in other genres.
You absolutely can. Landscape is a great
Nice.
genre to shoot with the telephoto lenses. You can zoom in, get that detail, get those layers.
We love layers.
We do, but what else can you use telephoto
So
for?
telephoto can also be used in a tele-macro sense or tele-close-up, which allows you to take pictures of smaller subjects like butterflies without the light coming between you and also without frightening the butterfly off. So really good for that as well.
It really is. And a lot of our photographers are using these lenses for telemacro.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Claire Voyle.
And I am Claire Harvey-May.
And today we're taking a closer look at 3 of our longest focal length telephoto zoom lenses. The 3 lenses we're going to take a look at today are the 100 to 400, the 150 to 600, and the 150 to 400. So first up is the 100 to 400 mil. Claire, tell us a bit more about it.
This is a beautiful lens. Like Claire says, it's 100 to 400. It has an aperture of f5 to 6.3. It's amazing close focus distance at 1.3 meters. So again, we're talking about that tele-macro style of photography, but it's beautifully light and should be in your camera bag. So Claire, tell us about this next lens.
The 150 to 400 mil.
Beautiful.
With built-in teleconverter.
Yep.
And a constant aperture of f4.5.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Absolutely fantastic lens. Weighs 1.75 kg and has a minimal focus distance for telephoto macro of 1.3 meters.
Yeah.
And that's the same with the teleconverter activated as well. And last but not least, the 150 to 600 mil, our longest focal length in our current range.
Absolutely, you're absolutely right. It has an aperture of f5 to 6.3. Close focus distance is 0.56 meters, which is incredible.
Fantastic.
And has a weight of just over 2 kilos, so super light to take out in the field.
So let's take a look at what all 3 lenses have in common.
Firstly, focus limiter. Focus limiter has 3 settings on all 3 lenses, and this allows you to focus from very close distance, 1.3 meters, to infinity, and everything in between, allowing a much quicker opportunity for the lens to focus on what you want to take a picture of. The second thing all 3 lenses have in common is the ability to switch from autofocus to manual focus on the side of the lens.
And the third thing they have in common is the IS on and off switch. So the ability to turn off your image stabilization.
And another commonality between these 3 lenses is that they all take the 1.4 and the 2 times teleconverters.
Fantastic, that means even more reach. We hope that's given you a bit more insight into these 3 incredible lenses.
And we look forward to seeing you again soon.